When installing a new door in your Columbia home, even a small mistake can lead to costly repairs, energy inefficiencies, or security vulnerabilities. Whether you're tackling the project yourself or hiring professionals, understanding common pitfalls can help you avoid unnecessary stress and ensure a smooth installation. Here are the top 10 mistakes to steer clear of when installing a door. Incorrect measurements. One of the most common and costly mistakes during door installation is measuring incorrectly. Even being off by half an inch can lead to a poor fit. Always measure the width, height, and depth of the door opening twice. Don't forget to account for floor thresholds and any trim that may affect the final fit. Skipping the inspection of the door frame. Before installation, thoroughly inspect the existing door frame. If it's warped, rotted, or uneven, installing a new door over it will only amplify the problem. In Columbia's humid climate, wood rot is a common issue. Reinforce or replace damaged frames to ensure your new door sits securely and operates smoothly. Using the wrong tools or hardware. Using generic or incorrect tools can lead to uneven hinges, stripped screws, or misaligned latches. Make sure you have a complete set of tools specific to the door type, especially if you're installing a heavy steel or fiberglass door. Also, always use high-quality, corrosion-resistant hardware suited to Columbia's weather conditions. Not checking for level and plumb. A door that isn't installed level and plumb won't close properly, may swing open or shut on its own, or create gaps. Use a quality level and shims to keep the frame square during installation. Don't rush this step. Take your time to ensure proper alignment before finalizing screw placements. Forgetting to seal and insulate. In Columbia, where hot summers and cold winters are common, proper insulation is essential. Failing to seal gaps around the door can lead to drafts and energy loss. Use weather stripping, spray foam insulation, and caulking to eliminate air leaks and boost your home's energy efficiency. Improper door swing direction. Choosing the wrong door swing direction can hinder movement and reduce functionality. Before installation, determine whether the door should swing inward or outward and to the left or right. Consider furniture placement, room flow, and building codes in Columbia for both interior and exterior doors. Installing hinges incorrectly. Misaligned hinges can cause the door to stick, sag, or not latch correctly. Double-check hinge placement and spacing. Ensure the hinge screws are flush and secure. Use longer screws for heavier doors or when attaching to older frames to increase holding strength. Ignoring security features. Security is crucial, especially for entry doors. Many homeowners forget to upgrade strike plates or use reinforced screws. Consider installing a deadbolt, reinforced locks, or smart locking systems. A high-quality installation in Columbia should always include robust security measures to protect your home. Neglecting building codes and permits. In some cases, especially for exterior door replacements or when altering the size of the opening, Columbia building codes may require permits. Skipping this step can result in fines or issues when selling your home. Always check with local authorities or work with a licensed contractor who understands regional codes. Rushing the job door installation requires patience. Rushing can lead to uneven placement, improper sealing, and cosmetic damage. Allocate enough time to do it right. If you're hiring professionals, ensure they aren't cutting corners to finish quickly. Ask for a detailed timeline and inspection once the job is done. Final thoughts. Door installation in Colombia is more than a simple home improvement. It's an opportunity to enhance security, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. By avoiding these 10 common mistakes, you'll save time, money, and headaches in the long run. Whether you're updating your front entry or replacing interior doors, proper planning and execution are key to a successful installation.